Okay, so welcome back. Now we're going to do another example. Now we're going to take a 4-digit number. We're going to divide by a single-digit number. Now one thing that I also want to let you know is that you should always be doing when you have your answer is you check your answer. So remember, whatever you get as your answer, you should be able to go back and multiply and get your dividend back. So you should be able to take your divisor times the quotient, the answer that you get, multiply that by multiply those two numbers, the divisor and the quotient, and that should equal your dividend if there's no remainder. If there's a remainder, then you have to add the remainder too. Okay? So let's do this one. So we're going to divide. So again, I can't use the 3, so I'm going to use 31. So I'm going to start here under the hundreds column. So 6 goes into 31 how many times? 5, right? 6 times 5 is 30. So I'm going to subtract the 30. And so that's going to be 1. Now I'm going to drop down. And I get 17. Now I'm going to do the process over again. 6 goes into 17 twice. So 6 times 2 is 12. I'm going to subtract the 12. And I get 5. And then I'm going to drop down to the 4. Okay? Now I've reached the end. Okay, so I'm either going to get a remainder or I'm going to get 0. Okay, so 6 goes into 54 how many times? 9. Okay, 6 times 9 is 54. So now I get a 0. So it turns out it divides evenly. So now, how do I check this? Well, again, I'm going to take my divisor, multiply by my quotient, and I should get my dividend. So 6 times 529 should give me 3174. Well, let's see. So 6 times 5 is 30, so that's 3,000, because it's 6 times 500. And then 6 times 2 is 12, but it's with a 0, so that's going to be 120. And then 6 times 9 is 54. And so if I add, that's going to be 3174, so it checks. Okay. Now, if there was a remainder here, then I would have to add the remainder at the end here. But the remainder is 0, so we're good. We're done. Have a great day.